Unlock the heart of your WordPress site by pinpointing its root directory. To begin, log into your WordPress admin dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu, and hover over Appearance. From the drop-down menu, click on Theme File Editor. This will open a view of your theme's files. Don't worry, we won't be editing anything here just yet. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of all the files within your currently active theme. Look closely at the very top of this file list. You'll see an indicator that represents the current directory context. This pathway, often starting with something like WP Content, WP Includes, or WPadmin, is a direct representation of your WordPress installation's structure. The folder containing all of these, and the files directly above them in the hierarchy, is your WordPress root directory. Think of it as the main folder where all your WordPress website's essential files and subfolders reside. This includes the WPadmin area, the WP Content folder where your themes and plugins are stored, and crucially, files like index and htaccess at the very top level. Understanding this location is fundamental for tasks like manually installing plugins, editing theme or plugin files directly, or even troubleshooting complex site issues. It's the central hub for your entire WordPress website's code. Mastering the location of your WordPress root directory empowers you with greater control over your website's management. Subscribe for more essential WordPress tips.